guess where I went? As usual, I went on my quest to Dollar Tree this past week to see what was new. As I was getting ready to film this video, I got kind of chilly, so I put on this little brown top over what I was already wearing. I took Loki for a walk this morning and then decided to wear this adorable hat. I love this hat. It's from Shein. But anyways, what was I getting at? What was I saying? Oh, I was cold. I think that's the end of the story. Oh, now I'm hot. There it is. Let's get into the haul. So I found these adorable egg signs. I think they were actually out last year. What I couldn't quite remember is if it's the same exact design, but I feel like it might be. But I found these four. I don't know if there are other prints, but these four are just so pretty. And you can see they have the little stake, so you could easily like put them in your yard, or if you're like gonna go out to some type of field and set up a little egg hunt or whatever for the kids, these could be cute too. Maybe as like little like walkway signs or something, or even maybe like line your driveway kind of with them. That would be really cute. I'm actually going to use these in my landscaping. I don't normally use stuff like this, like seasonal stuff in my landscape, but I just think these eggs are too adorable not to do that with. And I just think the sizing is perfect. So I just need to go back and get a second set of each one because I want to do a total of 8. And then I'm thinking I'm going to do some type of wreath that will kind of match this. I'm seeing a lot of pink in here, or this like light blue. So I don't know, but I want my wreath to match. Just haven't quite figured out exactly what that's going to look like. I haven't even started decorating, which I need to, because I like to get ahead of the game for you guys specifically so that you have time to kind of get ideas if you need them. But I haven't decorated only because I wanted to film my finally furnished house tour, and I didn't want it, you know, to have seasonal stuff. So now that video's out, by the way, it's done, it's out. I'll link it down below. I can start decorating. So the Easter spring decorating is coming soon. And I'm really glad because it's perfect timing, because these little signs are really cute and I'm thinking I got to put them throughout the house. So let me show you these two because they are brand new. The little spelling hop with the bunny is so adorable. Like Dollar Tree just gets more and more creative and I'm here for it. You can see they did like an opposite effect. At first I kind of didn't notice it, but like this bunny's burlap and the words over here have the burlap. And then this bunny has the wood, and then the words over here has that like wood fence kind of look. So super cute. I really like this one because of the yellow, and it's actually purple. For some reason it's looking pink on camera, maybe not. But I think I'm gonna use this one maybe in my front door wreath with those. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. But anyways, they're super beautiful. Love them both. And I knew the moment I saw them, I was like, that's new. Then they put out their spring truck signs. Let me tell you, these are really cute. I'm just gonna flip through these so that you can see them. Let my camera kind of adjust. Like there's just so much going on here, so much detail for $1.25 that it truly blows my mind. You can see that there's actually a hole through the window of the truck, and spring is here. Here is this one. Lots of different colors. Those are looking like blue bonnets with some bumblebees, which is really adorable. Then we get this beautiful Tiffany blue truck with the yellow. This one's probably my favorite, next to this one. These two are my favorite. However, I know for a fact, or at least I think I'm pretty positive, these are not the same exact design as last year. Last year's trucks were... they were really adorable. These are really cute too. Like they're right there, but I think I like 2021 a little bit more. But anyways, here is this last one. Oh my God, this last one. Oh, all of them. Like how do you even pick? They're so freaking pretty. I'm gonna link a DIY down below, show you guys how you could use this if you wanted to create this more as like a tabletop decor rather than maybe like stuffing it in a wreath or something, because you can see here it's pretty thin, so putting it on a tabletop is just gonna flop over. So I'm gonna link a video and then you can kind of like get an idea. So I found that. And then I was really excited for this find because I thought it was so cute. It is a floral garland. You can see in the photo right here what it's supposed to look like. And then you get the whole piece. I'm gonna open it up because I want us to see. Oh, wow. It's on like a white little string, so you can't really see it. Oh, that is actually really adorable. I feel like I just drew a blank though on how I would use this. Usually when I look at stuff from Dollar Tree, I just kind of immediately know, like in my mind, you know, how I would use it. But I feel like even using it like this, like vertically rather than horizontally somehow, maybe like in a doorway for a party or something. Yeah, I don't know. Leave some ideas down below because I feel like I'm kind of drawing a blank. Other than obviously using it as a garland. Obviously you could also deconstruct it and use it for friend mail because it's just felt. It's pretty thin. So if you're making anything, you know, junk journaling, all that stuff. Which, by the way, stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm going to show you guys what's getting released on my Etsy shop. So I found that. And then in this bag, I found the little like cups, but it's their spring line because you can see the label right here. So labels truly can tell you exactly how to shop at Dollar Tree because once Easter's over, you're not going to see this anymore. So just kind of keep that in mind. And you get 6 here. Here's what they look like. They're super cute. You can do so much with this. If you're having an ice cream party, put all the toppings and things. You know, obviously you can put candy and put it in Easter baskets, fill it with things, all kinds of stuff. You know what I actually use these for? I currently use these to fill them with Loki's treats while I'm training him. That's what I use it for. All right, then I have, look how many stickers I have, but hang on. We'll look at those in a second. I want to show you guys a bunch of ribbons that I found. So I gotta dig through this bag too and get the other ones because these ribbons are so spring. The patterns are so good. And they had a lot to choose from, but I didn't get them all. Okay, I think this is it. Hang on, let me organize them. Let's look at the gingham ones first, which, by the way, also the Easter label. So grab these now if you just kind of feel like you might use these throughout the year. But look at these gorgeous pastel colors. Like what? Loki just, he just opened up his stuffed animal and all the cotton's coming out. He's not eating it. All right, so anyway, here are these. So pretty. And then I found this set, which is like more of a twine feature. And I got it in green and orange, but they had a bunch of colors. I don't know why I didn't get them. They might have even had yellow. And I always grab yellow. It's funny because I feel like my favorite color is blue, but then I love green, I love yellow. But can you have more than one favorite color? I love all colors, honestly. So, and then I found this little set, and the carrots are my favorite. And then we get the little bunny prints. That's really adorable too. Oh my god, the carrots, I just can't. This is the first time I've kind of seen them do a ribbon with carrots like this. So I really love that. I mean, look at this little trio set together. Is that not adorable? All right, so, oops, I just lost one. So there's the ribbons. And then I found more fidgets, and I found them in a keychain form. So that is so adorable. Definitely go get these, throw them in the Easter baskets. I found the blue little unicorn, and by the way, it's like a poppet, so you hear that, you can push it one way, push it out the other. It's like a sensory kind of toy. You see the little keychain. These are so adorable. You can also like put them on binders and planners and all kinds of things. I feel like the sizing is just right. And these were the ones that I found. So 2 dinosaurs and 2 unicorns. So cute. They also kind of remind me of the 80s a little bit. So there's that. I also found this fidget, which is a bracelet, but it has like the zipper. So cute. I think I'm gonna put this one in my niece's Easter basket. I feel like she's still slightly young, but she's just a little smarty pants, so I don't know. Throw it in there, see how well she does with it. And then I also, for her Easter basket, which I'm gonna do a video, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna decorate my daughter's care package for Easter. And then I don't know if I'm gonna do a care package for my niece or not. Kind of depends on if I'm gonna see them on Easter or not, so I'm gonna ask and find out. But I got these little blind balls, meaning like you don't know what's in here until you open it. And there's 6 to collect. It shows you what you could possibly get on the inside. I'm not gonna open it, unfortunately, on camera. Usually I get a few so I can open them, but I'm gonna put these in my niece's Easter basket. So I got those. Those are always a good time, let me tell you. All right, then I found a bunch of little like toys like this, but let me show you the Nemo ones, because as soon as I saw it, I was like, these would actually be amazing as a cake topper. They even have like the little base, you see there? And would be great, like if you, especially if you want to make your own cake, or if you want to go buy and grab a plain cake at the store that's like kind of already made, you're kind of in a pinch, like here you go, and you can just put these in there. What? How cute. So we get Nemo, Dory, and Bruce. So I found those. And then I found these, which they're Avengers, which, holy crap. I think I found 3. These are listed as a paperweight. I was just like, what? So we've got Thor, Captain America, and Iron Man. I love that we get Marvel stuff at Dollar Tree. That always blows me away. And the fact that it's like always current stuff too. So how awesome. I would have loved to have seen Loki. You know what I mean? But there we go. But I'm saving the best for last, or to me, it's the best for last, because I did not expect to find Masters of the Universe. I don't know, somebody tell me, because I don't watch cartoons anymore, but are they rebooting He-Man? Because I grew up watching He-Man and She-Ra, and Rainbow Bright, and Smurfs. Like those were my big core memory shows as a kid. So finding He-Man at Dollar Tree, I was freaking floored. Like here's He-Man himself. Like, what? No. And then we've got Man-at-Arms right here. His little backing kind of came off, but there's Man-at-Arms. And then we have Orko. What? I was so hoping for She-Ra, even though She-Ra had her own show, but I know that she like made appearances on the He-Man show, but what? And then we have Merman and also Skeletor, which honest to God, Skeletor scared the shit out of me as a kid. Like I was frightened, but I kept watching, you know what I mean? All right, so that just tickled me pink, seeing that, honestly. And then the last couple of bits are a bunch, like I went to town. So I'm just gonna rotate, show you guys what I found. Hold on, let me kind of organize them so that they're all facing. Okay, all right, here we go. A little party one with the banner and the props, super cute. Just some simple pastel dots. This one has a little sports theme, which is really cute. I love it. You get football, hockey, basketball, soccer, a little bit of cheerleading. Yeah, super cute. And then some flowers. These are new. This one I think was my favorite because I loved this big gold and white rose. And then this one. And then I bought a ton of these because I could not believe my eyes. And if you buy my junk journal starter kit, which you're about to see that, these are going to appear in some of them. By the way, not every kit is going to be equal in what's in them. It's like a mystery pack, essentially. Each one is a starter kit, so each one will get a composition notebook. And I might as well go ahead and throw out exactly what I'm doing, because I haven't officially announced it, but I'm getting back into my Etsy shop. It's linked down below. These items haven't been put on there quite yet. They're going to be on there tomorrow, so definitely come back Monday and be the first to get my little starter kits. But they're going to have a composition notebook where you can junk journal with it, and then a bunch of goodies like papers and stickers and all kinds of things. There's going to be about 55 total items in each junk journal starter kits, and then I'm eventually going to do like filler kits where it's going to be a bunch of goodies for your junk journal, but it won't actually include a composition notebook. And then I'm also going to do I'm going to do something else. You'll see soon. Anyways, so I found these and I was just like, what? These are brand new. So I'll just kind of show you guys up close. I love the color. You could definitely vintage these out, you know, ink the sides with ink and make them look aged, and do all kinds of crafting with these. So I had to get a bunch of them for my junk journal kits for you guys. And then I found these, which they're starting to do these stickers with windows, and that's definitely brand new. Like, what? I'm loving the window thing. Yeah, this one's probably my favorite. And then you get a bunch of other little stickers in here too. So there's that. And then I bought more of these little fruits, which I have a bunch of these already, but just I cannot help myself. If you ever see me at Dollar Tree and you see me in the sticker section, just know I've been there for about 10 minutes. Like, that's just the reality. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the kits, and yeah, I'm gonna go get it. All right, you guys are getting the first glimpse. Oh my God. I'm so excited for these. I'm just gonna kind of show you one at the top, but I'm out of breath. I go up one flight of stairs and like, that's it. That's all I'm capable of. I gotta rest the whole day. But anyways, you can see the composition notebook, and not all of them are the same as well. At the end of the day, I didn't put too much thought into the covers just because, you know, it's a junk journal and you could be covering it up and doing like your own thing, but it's filled with so many goodies and stickers and stamps and all kinds of things. Again, not every single one is gonna have the same thing. Might not have stamps. It's essentially a mystery kit, but you are getting 55 pieces in the kit. So, oh my God. Let me tell you, if you buy these from me, just thank you so much, because I had the time of my life doing this, and I want to keep doing this. So, you know, just thank you for at least watching this, supporting me. But so many kits, and I have another kit that's going to come out too. This is more of a junk journal with a composition notebook. I'm going to have a different kit that's going to include binder rings and books, and you're going to see that really soon. I just don't have any kits ready to share with you guys, but I'm hoping to release them Tuesday on my Etsy shop. So also will be a mystery kit in itself as well. But anyways, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget that these are gonna launch tomorrow, and I'm so excited. And I hope you guys love the packaging and everything and all the goodies. And again, thank you so much just for watching my videos, for being supportive, and for letting me do the things that honestly just makes me so happy. I get to do that because of you, because you're here watching me and supporting me, and I'm just so grateful for that. So thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.